Hi, I'm Justin Lee, a solutions engineer here at Confluent. In this course, we'll talk about the networking options available to you in Confluent Cloud. Cloud networking is hard, and Kafka makes it a little bit harder. So we'll break down all of the options: secure public endpoints, direct peering connections, and transit gateway, as well as Private Link, and discuss the pros and cons of each one to help you design an architecture that meets your technical and business requirements. For example, we'll talk about the requirements for a /16 CIDR range for a peering or transit gateway cluster, and compare it to the requirements for a custom DNS zone required for Private Link. This is just a sample of what this course covers. If you're an application developer using Confluent Cloud, or an infrastructure person responsible for setting up connectivity to Confluent Cloud, this course is for you. If you're new to Apache Kafka, this course should still be accessible, but you may want to first take the Apache Kafka 101 course, also available on Confluent Developer. Let's get started.